Around here. You can start with it. You might be wondering what I'm doing. Or what the hell I'm doing. Who knows how many people are going to this level of detail.
Not many.
Yeah.
It's only because I'm a nutcase.
Yeah.
Check it out. It's not wrong. Looks like it's lining up all the way down. Done.
Boom.
So
Look at that. Beautiful.
So now some of the clips came out of the other one. So
Yeah.
that makes it a little bit more fun. But that, you know, there's a little bit of imperfections in there, but I mean, for the most part, that's fine.
Yeah, but again, if it was too perfect, it would stand out.
Is that rain or something?
Yeah, it does look like it.
So I'll have to figure out the clips on the other one because they have to be on the plastic part at the point.
Oh, it'd be lined up perfectly, and I wonder if you could put them on there. No, they have to go on the rail. Yeah.
Of course they do. So but that looks like I mean,
Yeah.
a million times better than
Oh yeah.
playing with Hyundais. So, yeah, so there's two in the front that are missing. One there and one here. And then
I guess one on the back.
one in the back. So let's see if we can figure that out. Wants to go.
Yeah, yeah. Wants to go to its home.
Yes. So that's facing downwards and towards me. So that should kind of okay, so that's how that snaps on. And let's just see if I have some success sort of lining it up. Let's make sure it's relatively even at the front because I don't want to fight with it at the end. Okay, and let's just try pushing it. Oh, those are nice and easy clips.
All right.
The Southern was not bad at all. Yeah, that's holding all the way from the back right now. So that's pretty easy. All you do is put the wings downwards and towards you. And we'll get there. What? Why? Okay. There we go. Interesting the way those clips work.
Yeah. I'm kind of impressed they're not all snapped.
Yeah, the fact that they made it is amazing.
Yeah.
They don't do that on the Saturn. Okay, so let's see if that will snap down. Look at that.
Wow.
Cool.
Yeah. Good looking car.
Yeah, I'm super duper happy with the way those came out.